What's up, everybody? On this fine overcast Saturday. We ain't had an overcast Saturday in a long time. And really, it just got like this about an hour ago. Before that, it was beautiful. It must have knew I was going somewhere. Ha! Nah. So we going to a car meet. It's like 10 minutes away. We ain't got nothing else going on today. Look at that. 111, dude. Oh my God. It's overcast and it's 111. Hey, Cardo, music on. It is fucking raining, dude. It hasn't rained in 6 months. It's raining where we're going, too. Somebody don't want us to have a video. What the fuck is this shit? Dude, we ain't left the house all day. In the second we leave the house, raindrops start falling out of the sky. That might be a sign to go home. God is like, yo, don't leave the house today, bro. Just trust me. Man, it's cool. We're just gonna see what happens, bruh. Fucking Honda Rebel. If you're gonna get a Rebel, you might as well get something like this. I mean, if I had a choice between a new Rebel or a used FZ, I mean, bruh, a brand new R3 or a used FZ, dude, what? You have to think about that. That dude looks like that guy that kidnapped that girl and made her live in a tent or something out in the woods for years. What up, boy? What up? We got a cycle gear right up here on the right. Which, let me tell you, how awesome is that to live this close to a cycle gear right there, look. Bro, sick, huh? Dude, that's the shit. What's up, bro? We got all kind of motorcycle shops around here. We got a Suzuki dealership. They're up here or back there, I can't remember. Got Maxim, Honda, Yamaha. Got a couple head shops up here. You need some papers, man? Look, guys, you can get some papers right here. Get all your bongs and papers right there. Right there, look, biker guy knows. He's getting one. Getting a new bong for his gold wing. Need a bike bong. All right. Hooters is Hooters is up here. Oh, Jesus Christ. Whoa. What the fuck is that? What the fuck was that? Dude. If I wouldn't have seen that. Holy shit. What up? What up? I didn't read the sign. Did it say we'll suck dick for money? It should say we'll buy meth with your money. Oh, there's Hooters, look. Oh, by the way, the car meet at Hooters. I think it's funny. I like Hooters, man. I'm old school. I mean, I don't like it like I go there, but I just, if we're gonna go to one of these booty short places, dude, let's go to Hooters, bro. Old school, dude. Let's keep it real. All these other ones are just imitators of the OG, dude. And look, we're just gonna cut like this right here. Thank you, bud. You got it. Lord, horrors all work. Ah! All right, let's get out of here. Your headlights! Turn your headlights on! You're fucking stupid, dude. God. You got no headlights! That's a problem with daytime running lights. People are so fucking stupid.